Tired of staring at the same boring walls? Ready to transform your bedroom into a sanctuary of peace and relaxation? This video will show you how to create the perfect IKEA-inspired bedroom color palette for any mood. Welcome back to Chic Decor Ideas, your destination for stylish home transformations. When we consider the intimate space of a bedroom, it is impossible to ignore the profound influence that color exerts on our emotional and psychological well-being. Color is not merely a surface treatment or decorative afterthought. It is a language that speaks to our subconscious, shaping moods, memories, and even our perception of time spent within a room. How often do we underestimate this silent communicator? The way a subtle shift in hue can soften tension, stimulate thought, or evoke comfort. In a world filled with constant stimuli, the bedroom offers a rare opportunity to cultivate an environment where color works not against us but in harmony with our inner rhythms. The question then becomes, how can we harness this powerful tool to transform a simple room into a restorative haven that caters to the unique emotional needs of its occupant? IKEA-inspired bedroom design offers an ideal foundation for this exploration, emphasizing clarity, adaptability, and functional beauty. The ethos of simplicity that defines IKEA's approach does not diminish the emotional resonance of color. Rather, it provides a clean canvas on which color can express itself with precision and impact. Imagine the way muted neutrals envelop a room in softness, creating an atmosphere of calm and ease, while strategic pops of saturated color invigorate the space with energy and personality. What happens when color choices are freed from the constraints of trends and instead aligned with personal moods and lifestyles? The dynamic relationship between minimalist design and emotive color invites a reconsideration of how bedrooms serve not only physical rest but emotional restoration and personal expression. Beyond aesthetics, the adaptability inherent in IKEA's modular and versatile pieces opens a dialogue about transformation and renewal within the bedroom environment. Colors can be layered, removed, or accentuated with relative ease through textiles, wall treatments, and accessories, allowing the space to evolve alongside the shifting emotional landscapes of those who dwell within. How might this flexibility foster a deeper engagement with the environment, encouraging occupants to actively participate in shaping their own mood and mental clarity through intentional color choices? It is this fluidity, the ability to refresh and renew without starting from scratch, that makes the IKEA-inspired bedroom a powerful platform for psychological and sensory exploration. Through this lens, color becomes less a static decoration and more a living element that interacts with form, light, and space to create a deeply personal experience. As we delve deeper into this relationship, it becomes clear that the perfect color palette is not a fixed formula but a nuanced balance between hues, saturation, and contrast that must resonate on an individual level. How can combinations be curated to maintain harmony while allowing for moments of surprise or stimulation? In an IKEA-inspired space, where form often leans towards simplicity, color steps forward as a defining personality trait, offering endless possibilities to craft an environment that feels both intentional and authentic. This interplay challenges us to think beyond aesthetics and consider how color functions as an emotional framework, a foundation upon which rest, creativity, or rejuvenation can unfold naturally. Ultimately, the bedroom emerges not just as a functional zone for sleep but as an evolving sanctuary where color and design merge to support well-being and self-expression. How we choose to paint our walls, select our bedding, and accent our space reflects more than taste. It reveals how we wish to engage with ourselves at the most fundamental level. The IKEA-inspired bedroom invites a mindful approach to this process, emphasizing that simplicity need not be sterile, and functionality need not exclude emotional depth. What palette will you embrace to define your sanctuary? This journey toward a personalized color scheme is an invitation to explore the dialogue between space and psyche, crafting a bedroom that is truly a reflection of your inner world. This holistic understanding encourages us to view color not simply as pigment on walls or fabric but as a living presence that breathes life into every corner, shifting and evolving as moments pass. By considering these intertwined factors, the bedroom becomes a dynamic environment that responds to mood fluctuations, external conditions, and personal growth, offering a sanctuary that is as fluid and complex as the individual inhabiting it. In this context, the IKEA philosophy of flexible, modular design perfectly complements the mutable nature of color, creating endless opportunities for reinvention without the need for drastic renovation. How empowering is it to imagine a space where subtle swaps, a new throw pillow, a different curtain panel, or a fresh rug, can recalibrate the entire emotional atmosphere? This adaptability invites continual engagement with your environment, turning the bedroom into a site of creative exploration rather than static permanence. Through intentional color layering and smart design choices, you can compose a space that feels renewed with each season, each phase of life, allowing your bedroom to evolve in tandem with your changing inner landscape. Ultimately, the choice of color in an IKEA-inspired bedroom is a deeply personal statement, a subtle yet profound expression of identity, mood, and intention. How will you use this palette to shape not only your physical surroundings but your emotional sanctuary? What stories will your colors tell, and how will they support your journey toward rest, rejuvenation, and self-discovery? Embracing color as a dynamic, living component of design invites a richer, more nuanced relationship with your space, one where function and feeling coexist in harmonious balance. So, as you envision your ideal bedroom, consider the power of color to transform, to heal, and to inspire. Let this knowledge guide your choices and empower you to craft a sanctuary that is uniquely yours, one that reflects the rhythms of your life and nurtures the essence of who you are. With the perfect IKEA-inspired color palette, your bedroom will no longer be just a room but a vibrant, evolving sanctuary for peace, creativity, and renewal. As you bring these ideas into your own space, remember that the journey toward creating a bedroom that truly resonates with you is ongoing and ever-evolving. There is no single right palette or fixed formula, only the willingness to listen to how color makes you feel, how it interacts with your daily rhythms, and how it supports your well-being. Allow yourself the freedom to experiment, to shift tones with the seasons or your moods, and to embrace change as part of the process of making your bedroom a living, breathing extension of yourself. In doing so, you transform a simple room into a sanctuary of peace and personal expression, where every shade and shadow contributes to a deeper sense of comfort and balance. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts or experiences about how color has transformed your own bedroom. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring ideas on design, mood, and creating spaces that nurture your soul. Together, let's continue exploring the endless possibilities of turning everyday rooms into extraordinary sanctuaries.